Want her thinking about you morning, noon, and midnight? Not just liking you, but needing your presence. Here's the formula to make yourself unforgettable. The concept, emotional waves. It's not about constant attention. Real attraction is created in waves. You give her the high, then you disappear. She starts to feel the void, and that void, it's where obsession grows. Step 1, emotional intensity. Want to trigger her emotions? Create small sparks of drama. Not fights, but mystery, intrigue, excitement. Show vulnerability briefly. Spark excitement with unpredictability. Be intense, then calm. Plan something unordinary. A sudden night drive. A message that says, "I had a dream about you." It felt too real to ignore. Make her heart skip, not from fear but curiosity. Step 2, strategic pull away. Now that she's invested, step back, not cold, just less available. Let her feel the silence. The uncertainty that, will he? Won't he? That's the question her heart will ask again and again. Attraction isn't begged for. It's engineered. Step 3, reinforcement and gesture. Then, when she doesn't expect it, reach out, but not casually. Make it meaningful. A voice note saying, "I just saw something that reminded me of your laugh. Couldn't help but smile." Now, you're not just a man she liked. You're a feeling, a memory she keeps revisiting. That's the emotional mastery formula. Create the peak, step back, then reconnect with presence. Do this right, and you'll be more than loved. You'll be impossible to forget. If you haven't subscribed yet, this might be our last moment together. But if you have, congratulations. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay stoic and live life on your own terms.